So today we'll be tackling a challenge that every bidder and consultant and non-profit organization really understands, and that is, why do strong organizations still lose tenders? Now, across West Africa, the world really, teams are delivering great work, but they keep on missing out. And it's not because of weak ideas, but I think because their proposals don't meet the standards that procurement bodies expect. But we need to start by facing the real issue. Why capable organizations, despite strong offerings, keep losing tenders.
They spend weeks preparing proposals, long nights, last-minute edits, endless approvals, and still don't win or don't win enough. And the global statistics show that, we are working really hard, we're following a lot of volume, but our win rates, we are winning or we are losing more than we are winning. A missing compliance item, a confusing layout, a weak value story. These small issues add up to big losses. Winning organizations, and that's really the point of today's session, is that we want to close this capability gap. Winning organizations use best practice frameworks like the APMP, the Association of Proposal Management Professionals, at every stage of the business development lifecycle, because we can't take the proposal process out of the overall business development lifecycle. It's our sales teams, it's our subject matter experts, it's our graphic designers, it's our editors, it's everybody that's involved in the proposal process.
If other teams are working to global standards and you are not, then you are competing at a disadvantage, even if your solutions are very strong.